Good day po, teachers. So ngayon po ay i-share ko po sa inyo ito pong mga bagong labas na SARO from DBM, kung ano pong mga divisions and regions ang meron pong SARO for their first tranche of salary increase. So check po natin dito. So ngayon po, check po natin ang date today. We have September 4, 2024 for the Department of Education, Office of the Secretary na may amount na 178 million pesos. So we have the SARO of Region 12. So maalala po natin kahapon, ang mga SARO po mostly ng yung updated po ng salary increase. Differential ay mula po sa Region 13. So kung nakapalo po kayo, kahapon po ay mostly are from Region 13. Ngayon naman po ay from Region 12. So check po natin kung meron pa po nadagdag na mga regions para po sa ating updated salary increase. So first, we have the Division of South Cotabato. So congratulations po sa mga teachers sa Division of South Cotabato dahil meron na po tayong SARO for our first tranche of our updated salary schedule for civilian government personnel. So, kung meron po tayong SARO from DBM, it doesn't mean po na meron na po talagang cash na diretso na po ibibigay sa atin, no? So, after SARO, meron pa po itong notice of cash allowance. So, ito po ay depende po sa takbo po ng pag-process ng different agencies para po sa ating first tranche of our salary po agad ibig sabihin na may SARO po agad from DBM ay automatic po ay maglalabas na po ng pera, no? So meron pa pong mga agencies na involved bago po ma-approve and then madire-diretso na po sa ating mga divisions. So congratulations po from Division of South Cotabato. Next po we have the Maltana National High School to cover pa rin po the funding requirement for the first tranche of the updated salary schedule. So sila po ay also from Region 12. So papansin po natin ito po. So amounting to 1.1 million pesos. Next po is we have the Upper Cleanan National High School. I think that's also from Region 12. So, congratulations po sa mga Region 12. We have Division of Sarangani. So, kamusta po kayo dyan sa mga teachers po from the Division of Sarangani. So, meron na po tayong SARO for our updated salary increase. Next, we have Alabel National High School. Check lang po natin kasi hindi pa natin memorize yung mga regions sa Region 12. Next po is we have the Banate National High School. So ito po yun. Meron na po silang SARO for the salary updated salary schedule first tranche. So we have Colon National High School. And also we have Gran Padido National High School. So pasensya na po kung hindi ko po ma-pronounce na maayos pa yung ating mga schools. Next po we have the Glan School of Arts and Trades. So meron na po silang first tranche of the updated salary schedule for the civilian government personnel. Next we have po James L. Chongbian National Trade School. So still from Region 12. Next po is we have the Leonard Young Senior National High School. We have Lun Pandido National High School. Also we have Malalag National High School. And Malandag National High School. Malapatan National High School. So these schools are also from Region 12 po. So ito po yung update po natin as of 6 the DBM SARO po. Next, we have the Bentong Sulit National High School. And then, also po, meron pong mga SAC lumabas for car. And ito po ay medyo hindi na po about sa updated na po, no? Sa ating salary differential. Okay? So I will keep you updated po pag meron po mga bagong saro for our performance-based bonus and our first tranche of salary increase. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.